jersey number 23, Genshin Goku. Rebound by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Nag-aanap ng pamasan. Jersey number 12, may hawak ng bola. Tumiskate, pass to jersey number 14. Tumira na dos. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 26, tapal by jersey number 6. Last 4 minutes remaining.
Wala akong bariya.
Wala na ang SDA yun.
Minus
Number 14, pass to jersey number 28. Out of the ball. Wala. High back.
Walang time out itong mga to?
Ano ba?
Time out. Stop.
Mamaya. Makarisip. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6.
foul.
Blocking foul by jersey number 28. Substitution red. Zagreb. Jersey number 28.
Pasok na!
Okay na. First throw by jersey number 6. Yes, throw by last and final throw. Jersey number 6. Yes, sir. Swap point. Jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 12. Dababa, bola. Nakaharap jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 14. Inaras na naman. Oh. Jersey number 29. Diba? Bola. Pass to jersey number 5.
Hoy! May extra.
Substitution direct again. Pasok na po. Jersey number 5 back in. Jersey number 21 now. Oh, jersey. Pasok ka nagpasok. Jersey number 12. Binaba ang bola.
Right.
Tumira. Pinapalit para.
Supalpal.
Tumira ulit.
Yun!
Jersey number 12. 2 points. Jersey number 6. Inbound by. Time out, ref! SDA timeout. Score 52-21 in favor of Highbound. Last 3 minutes and 6 seconds.